In this video, you're going to learn all about Facebook Messenger bots. I'm going to show you how you can use them in your own business after this. Hey, welcome back guys. Welcome to ProfitCopilot.com. My name is Mick Meaney, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Messenger bots. Now, I've kind of avoided using these for quite a long time because I've really felt intimidated by them. I thought it was going to be really complicated. Thought I was going to have to devote a few days of my time to learn how to use them. But nothing could be further from the truth. In fact, I set up my first messenger bot in probably about 3 minutes, which is amazing, right? So I'm going to tell you all about messenger bots and how you can use them too. You see, at the moment, I think there's around, I was reading somewhere that there was something like 100,000 messenger bots on Facebook already. And what these little bots are, they're kind of like conversational apps. They use some kind of artificial intelligence and they tend to learn as they go on. So you can program them. Okay, I've used that word program, right? I know that's going to freak people out. When I say program, I'm talking about like point and click stuff. We don't actually have to get our hands dirty with code in this stuff. Okay, let me make that really clear. You don't have to program anything like using code, but you can program them to learn as they go on. They're pretty powerful little tools that we can use to increase our conversions and our sales and deliver goodwill. I'm going to get into ways that you can use them in a second, but if you imagine these little messenger bots, kind of like sales assistants, they can answer questions, pre-sale questions. They can help your customers. They can deliver customer service round the clock, 24/7. They're pretty powerful things. I'm learning this stuff for the first time. I thought I have to share it with you too, because you know, anything that happens in my business, I share it with you guys too. So how are other brands using these bots? Well, we need some examples, right, to see the kind of thing that we can do and how other people are using them. Well, Whole Foods have got a messenger bot that helps people to find recipes. That's really cool. It's really positive, right? Snap Travel, they are using bots to help people to find hotels within their budget, another really positive use. And that's going to bring more people to them, right? Because they know that Snap Travel can give them the information that they are looking for. Same with Whole Foods and Health Tap. They're using messenger bots to deliver medical advice. How crazy is that, right? Skyscanner, their bots are helping people to find the right flights within the budget. So there's like all these different uses for messenger bots. And if you want to use, or if you want to make your own and use them, then I'm going to show you how to do that. It's really simple. So when someone subscribes to your page, you can send them a message that brings them deeper and further into your sales funnel. And you can use it to promote affiliate links, promote other offers, deliver goodwill content, and you know, use them however you like, whatever way you believe you can best serve your community, your tribe, your niche. That is probably the best way to use them. So I mentioned coding, right? We don't need to mess around with any of that stuff. There's maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4 services that I can think of that I found that lets you make these messenger bots without messing around with any code or anything complicated. And hey, I'm going to walk you through the process of making one in this video. It's super, super easy. And then we've got OnSQL, and then Chatfuel is another one, and then Botsify. So all those services don't require you to use code or do anything too complicated. So I'm going to walk you through creating your first one now. And listen, you can do this for free. You'll only have to pay when you get high volume, and that'll be a really good thing, right? So here we are. Welcome to ManyChat. Get started. I've already gone through this process myself, but I thought it's so easy, I'm going to run you through it too. So you got different templates you can use here. Let's just go this one. This is how it looks in Messenger. Obviously, I'm just using Profit Copilot as an example in this one. I'm not setting up a proper campaign at the moment. So if you subscribe to the Facebook page, which I don't promote, I only really use it for testing, then this is you could well get this message. So once you've set up your very first message, which as you can see, it's so simple, right? You've got all these different tools that you can use. I'm sure we're going to come back to this at some point in the future when I've actually got subscribers and I'm using ManyChat in the way that it should be used. But this is probably the easiest one that I found, so I thought I had to share it with you guys. So you've seen how easy it is to set up Messenger bots. Maybe you like the idea and you're feeling like you're going to run for it and start setting up your own campaigns. Well, hold off just a second. I'm going to give you a few tips that you need to know before you dive in to this. So before you set up your first Messenger bot, have an end goal in mind. Don't use them just because everybody else is using them. Have an actual purpose. Make sure that they serve that purpose. So decide what actions your subscribers need to take to achieve that outcome, that end result for you. And make sure that that end result fits inside your existing sales funnel or your existing strategy. So don't create a new thing and bolt it on to your business. Make sure that you use the Messenger bot as part of your existing strategy, and that's probably in the form of a funnel. So once you have your objectives and your goals clear, you know what actions your subscribers need to take, and you know how it fits into your overall business, then you're going to have to write some good, clear copy. And that also means asking the right questions. So for example, you might ask new subscribers what their email address is. You might say, hey, I've got this free report for you. I'd love to send it over to you. Give me your email address and I'll send it to you right now. So write good copy, make sure it's clear, and ask the right questions. Also, make sure that the tone matches the rest of your brand. So don't say something that you wouldn't say in person, or something that seems like it doesn't fit with your overall message and the tone of your company. So make sure that you write conversational scripts and have multiple answers ready for a variety of different questions. And then finally, test it. Okay, this is not going to be perfect the first time you set it up. So test it, tweak it as you go. The first time we try new things, it's unlikely it's going to be perfect first time around. So we're going to have to tweak things just like everything else in this digital marketing thing. And remember that done is better than perfect. So just get it up and running. It doesn't need to be the best messenger bot. It just needs to work. And remember, don't be intimidated by this technology stuff. We're in a really fortunate position now where a lot of the tools that we need are just point and click stuff. Look at building a website. Yeah. So if you want to install WordPress, that's literally 2 or 3 clicks of a mouse. Boom, you've got a fully functional, professional website installed really quickly. Where just 10 years ago, that process was so complicated and time consuming. If we go back further, 15 years ago, that kind of technology didn't exist. So right now we're in a really positive place. We're really fortunate to exist in this time where we can just point and click and get the things we need to improve our businesses and ultimately our lives and the lives of our families. I'm going to leave it there. Remember that you can do this stuff. It is easy. You absolutely can do it. If I can do it, then pretty much anyone can. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, if you found it useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel too, hit that little notification bell, and you will get another video just like this one from me tomorrow. So thank you very much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you again tomorrow.